I bet you it's Bleak.
Oh my gosh. Wait, did someone actually take it? Oh my god, someone... Wait, no. Oh my god. No one took it. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe one of you guys took it.
Um,
I even put it on my CV. I'll sell you the thing for $3.
those. That's good profit.
Yeah, honestly, that's a
I
fair
would do
price.
that.
Hey, I was,
honestly.
yeah, I was fighting for it,
if I wanted the name, I'd pay like up to like $5.
That's not that
You
much.
should rip more money off it, honestly.
I mean, yeah, I'll pay up to $3, honestly.
It's
Uber.
Uber. Who are you?
She'll have to wait for
6 months now.
though. One sub will earn it back for them. That is true.
That is true. I don't even think I have sub badges anymore.
It's okay. I only have one sub from yesterday.
That's
as
okay. Well, don't sub because this might be the only stream you guys see for the next time.
No, you should all sub so that she will.
No, I would not feel obligated, guys. I changed my name, but I can't be fucked changing. What? Wasn't your name always FP though?
No, it was something different, wasn't it? I remember.
I swear it was always
No,
FP
it was something different. It was like Peter Tre.
Oh yeah, 7 or something.
Yeah.
Was it 7? I felt like it was a 7. Where's the invites?
Oh yeah.
Wait, why can't I? Oh, did I just get rid of them all? That's all.
No, you just don't have them. Weren't you gonna make them?
Wait, isn't this my original account?
Yeah.
Wait, what? Don't I always have? Isn't there Monk the stupid Pog champ emote?
Oh yeah, there should be.
Yeah. Wait, is it not there?
Honestly, I don't even remember when I followed. It'll be almost a year when I found this stream. Best channel I followed since joining Twitch. How cute.
Oh, yay!
I'm not even following.
But hello. Wait, when are you from? Do you remember us? Do you remember seeing us? I'm not even following. Well, Bleak doesn't exist to me. We're the vlog. Alright, so I am a terrible vlogger and I realize that it's probably not gonna happen. Would you guys like to see a daily in our lives? Which will be like me coming
Dude,
out.
you couldn't even vlog the Gold Coast.
Dude,
thing.
it was so hard.
Dude, she was like sending it and it was full blurry and shit. And I was like, what's going on here? And she was like shaking it so much, even though she bought a gimbal. That's supposed to
No.
stabilize it.
I'll send you the stabilizer video.
Oh,
it's
is it
actually
better?
really
Oh,
stable.
okay. 'Cause I was like, what the fuck's going on?
Yeah, I just couldn't be fucked, like, carrying it around. Like, dude, it's the fact that, like, I'm not trying to put race into this, but it's like, because I'm Asian, and if I hold a gimbal and walk around in
We saw
gold...
someone.
Yeah, but I'm in gold, but she was like the biggest tourist, did she know?
And she was alone. Come on.
Yeah,
She
but
could do
like-
it, and she was like literally
Yeah,
alone.
well, I was like 4 Asians going like...
Well, it's only
"Eh."
one person. I think I feel more comfortable doing it with like a group than like
I
by
guess
myself.
so. I don't know. Whereas I feel like if I was like a white person, people would just think I'm just like some random like I don't know vlogger. Oh wait, is there no emotes?
There should be. No, they can't use your sub ones. That's why. They
Oh.
can only use your big TTV, better TTV one.
Oh.
What does it say? Entertain me for a little bit. I already reported them for you. She'll be best.
Excuse me.
She has a YouTube channel,
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel.
but no videos yet.
I'll do a daily in our lives.
That's so stupid. I won't even open my door.
You guys will just be like, oh yeah guys, it's 4 p.m. so it's Soph's coming out of the rooftop.
I will not be coming out.
And then she'll just come and microwave some rice or something. Alright, well, do you guys want to watch that?
Can't stay long at work. Okay, thanks for coming soon.
Oh, bye.
Why not? Racist it doesn't. No, it's her. She bought it. You are a tourist. Yeah, actually, we were tourists.
Oh, yeah, that
What
is
you think
true.
about
I
it?
guess, yeah. That's
We did like know nothing real special though.
Yeah, I feel like the only touristy
Like jet
thing we
skiing.
did was, jet skiing.
We should have done all of them. I kind of regret.
Yeah,
I
that
feel like
Tim
we
was
should've done all
full
of them.
saying that as soon as
What?
we went. And I'm just like, bro, why are
You
you
were
saying
the
this
one who
now?
was like, we shouldn't have.
Yeah, right. And then he
Yeah.
said it as soon as we paid for it as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I was like,
remember
why
that.
the fuck would you tell me that
Lol, that's funny.
now? Doesn't Sep have the gimbal? No, I was the one who bought the gimbal. Because I was like really into the idea of making YouTube videos, and then I realized that I can't do it.
What are you doing up now?
I mean, like, I just don't have the content, like, especially here where I live right now.
I mean, you didn't even do it in Gold Coast, so.
We didn't do anything interesting either.
I feel like no one does anything interesting,
That's true.
right?
I guess so.
Maybe we'll do study. Oh, I will do study vlog, guys. You can watch me study.
It will just be her talking on Twitch.
No, no vlogs.
Oh, right, okay. Why don't you stream it then?
I guess I could.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
guys, wait for my study streams again. Wait, did you end up going? Yeah, we went to Gold Coast. We didn't end up going to Brisbane.
I told Min that she looks like Kang Min now.
Oh, yeah, I
Blake,
remember
I
that.
love High Kong winner, but yeah, I do remember that as well. So how's uni going?
It's going great.
She hasn't started yet.
Oh, but yeah, it's going great. Daily in the life is eat,
But
sleep, stream.
that's not even-
stream though,
yeah.
is it? Why you sub to people who don't stream? Kind of.
Excuse
Bleak
me.
Monkers?
Blake has
Is that
good
Bleak Monkers?
decision skills.
Oh, Bleaky weird. Oh, it's weird chat.
Can you give me a sub in Blake's stream, Blake?
Give it
So
something.
I can have these emotes.